What are the 5 signs that someone is bad for you? Number 1, lack of respect. If someone consistently disregards your feelings, boundaries, or values, it's a clear indication they may not be good for you. Respect is the foundation of any healthy relationship, and without it, trust and mutual understanding diminish. 2, negative influence. Pay attention to how you feel after spending time with them. If you constantly feel drained, anxious, or unhappy, it's a sign that the relationship is toxic. Healthy relationships should uplift you, not bring you down. 3, manipulative behavior. Beware of individuals who try to control or manipulate you for their own benefit. This can manifest in various ways, such as guilt tripping, gaslighting, or constantly making you feel inadequate. Healthy relationships are built on honesty and equality, not manipulation. 4, consistent disregard for your well-being. If someone consistently puts their needs above yours, without considering your feelings or well-being, it's a red flag. A healthy relationship involves mutual care and support, where both parties prioritize each other's happiness and growth. 5, communication breakdown. Effective communication is crucial for any relationship to thrive. If you find it difficult to communicate openly and honestly with the person, or if they consistently dismiss your concerns or refuse to listen, it indicates a fundamental problem in the relationship. Without proper communication, issues cannot be resolved, leading to further deterioration of the relationship. Subscribe for more.